Oh yeah, sanibona. Ayibo. Oh yeah, sanibona. Yeah, sanibona Vumani ngiyanibingelela amaxoki. Ay. Yo guys, molweni namkhelekile nonke kwezi Chisa Bay Entertainment. Yeah guys, hayi ndize neendaba ezimnandi. Oh, abazogoa abazomuruka abanye endibazi ndodwa. But before we get into the deeper news, guys, uvuyokazi, today guys, I was so exhausted. I couldn't do anything, but ndiye ndalala for about 30 minutes. So now I think I'm a little bit revived. Kudala abantu bendibiza guys. Uvuyokazi did this, Uvuyokazi did that. Please update us, guys. I'm so grateful for you. Nonke ke ebenilindele i-update. Nansi ke i-update him. Uvuyokazi has moved into a brand new apartment. Uyawaposta ke nazi ifoto azifakileyo and ke wabhala wathi God's timing will always make sense. New keys, new beginnings. So a huge massive congratulations. Now not so long ago uRarumseleku bethetha ngabantwana ke kuThando Nesithembu esithi ufuna abantwana abazukulu bakhe balande kulando yala Cape Town sana uthi ubafuna closer to yena ke sizokhumbula guys show uRarumseleku wake wayiveza into bam umpumelelo does fall short sometimes when it comes to maintaining abantwana bakhe. Even novuyokazi naye, it's something that she has revealed over the years about ke umpumelelo. But the good news is that it does seem as though co-parenting izohamba kahle after ke the ending of season 9 of uThando Nesithembu. Ingathi umpumelelo uye wavakalelwa, and now nanku ke novuyokazi nomhlophe and unzulu. So it was Mhlophekazi's birthday. Ma-billion deco ibikhona ke nayo yehlile isekapa. These are the snippets I managed to get, and also I think that's the reason why bengafuna ukuposta ngoku, because benifuna ukufika with the full snippets of the birthday. Athi ke ndinivile guys, ndibizile nathi it's not the day to be sleeping today. Understand? So ndiye ndabona ke ndimane ndikoba ke nakumpumelelo nakuvuyokazi. They haven't posted anything as yet about ke ibirthday yomntana, but this is the message ke umpumelelo ashiyele yona guys, and it's speaking in volumes. Uthi ke she was pregnant, but then you do not see a baby, don't ask. The finger no longer has a ring, do not ask. He's no longer catching that 5 p.m. bus, don't ask. She was living in town, now she's back home, don't ask. He was in varsity, now you see him in the hood, do not ask. Life injani guys? Life is unpredictable. Nobody plans to fail, and this is very important. Nobody owes you any explanation about their life. Mind your own business. Usishiyeke nalokhoti umpumelelo as a trender currently as Cape Town ke novuyokazi. Guys, what are your thoughts? Please do let me know down on the comments. Thank you for ubanin joining. Ndicela sigqibezeleni ngomso guys. Yo, bye.